I had this old cart. Holy crap, I can't tell you how many motorcycles and cars and stuff I've worked on, but I was like, man, maybe it's time. Look, this one, the metal tape, taped it on the bottom, dog hair stuck to it. Yeah, it still works, but I wanted to build the overland. Gotta show you this. The expedition. So what I ended up doing is I took the rear seat out of the expedition and I added wheels to it. So I have the total. Hold on. Do or do not. There is no try. Thanks, Yoda. Anyways, yeah. So I've got. You can see me. I'm wheeling around on that thing right now. So hold on, feet up. Woo! So if I'm working on the boat, put my shoes on or whatever, I got a pretty cool scoot cart. So yeah. Let's see here. All right, see ya.